What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be kind of short, but I have something special planned at the end of the video if you stay tuned and watch. So for today, I'll be installing a shark fan, an actual functioning shark fan. So stay tuned. So first thing you want to do, get alcohol. So I'm gonna transfer this into a spray bottle. So first thing first, I'll remove this antenna. Easy enough. Alright. So this is a new shark fan. Comes with the extension out of it. It also has some weird connections inside for the antenna, I guess, for the radio, which is pretty dope. Because the last one I bought was was not like this. It was like the bottom was completely closed out. I was like, how are you supposed to install this? Wasting my money. But anyways, so this one, we just screw this back in there. And it comes with a 3M. Put that in the bottom. And then strap that on top and clean that surface, which I'm about to do now. Spray it down with rubbing alcohol. Alright. Lint-free rag. Really well. Alright. Now I'll put this on there. Let's do a test fit. See if it'll fit over this. And it does. See if I like it further back or forward. Let's see. I don't know. I think further back might be a lot better. So there's this little ridge right here which you can tear, which you can adjust it, move it back, which I think I'll do. So this is what it looks like. Here's the piece I took off. Pretty easy to take off. So now I'll add the 3M on the bottom. Use a screwdriver. Oh, that's not good. Bolt's too long. Let's see if I can find a different bolt in my collection. So I used a nut and tighten it all the way up so that it can give me the room that I need when I tighten this down so it can work. Let's see. The end of that. There we go. Alright. So now that it's on tight, I'm gonna wipe this down one more time. Let's clean this up. Here we go. Shark fan. Next I'll be getting a vortex generator. Set this off. Hopefully, you know, this works really well. You stayed till the end of this video. I thank you. I appreciate it. So for this giveaway, what I'll be giving away, so I got it's a 2015 and up, either WRX or STI. It's like a shifter. I'm not sure what it is, but it's supposed to help with sloppy shifting. It makes everything shift, and from what I've seen, it's pretty easy to install. So the whatever the heck this thing is called, and I'll also be giving away an RGB. So it makes a demon eye or whatever. You just connect it, and it connects to your phone Bluetoothly, and you know, whatever car, as long as your car takes an A7 light bulb, so you can install this, and it's really simple. I actually did it to my car, and it worked out pretty well, and it's still going till this day. So also, and I'm doing this giveaway as soon as I hit 30 subscribers. I'm at 28 right now as far as I can tell. So as soon as I get to 30 subscribers, I'll start, you know, doing the raffle, and I'll ship this out anywhere in the US for whoever wants. Just DM me, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
Dom 5280.